watching KVAL News.
Well, good morning. I'm meteorologist Al Peterson, and we are getting a nice sunrise this morning. We have some clouds up above, some fog down in the valleys, but the sun is peeking through. It is Tuesday, August 31st, 2010. Record rainfall, and yesterday we picked up almost a half of an inch, and additional rain showers are a possibility today, mainly in the afternoon, and a little bit warmer today. We do have a dry, mild weekend ahead, so it's still summer. It didn't feel like it yesterday. Sure doesn't feel like it in Burns. Look at that, 30 degrees right now, 30 degrees in Klamath Falls. It is 54 degrees in Eugene, so a chilly morning and not a very warm day either. Look at that, only 65 degrees in Eugene, only 60 degrees in Redmond, and this one's remarkable. Burns, this time of the year, is usually one of our hottest places. 58 degrees. That's all the warmer it got yesterday. Well, this is the Great Western Satellite shot. We're calling it the big picture these days. And first thing we see is the cold front that has come through. It's causing just some, slightly cooler temperatures that have moved into the area. Also, we do have to point out that along with that cooler air, we are getting some rain, mainly up around like Vancouver Island, places like that, going up into as far south as, say, Olympia, Washington. Not really hitting us too much this morning, but let's take a look at the satellite picture that's showing us just a smattering bit of rain in the very northwestern corner of the state. That's very important because that is exactly what the computer models forecast. And since they forecasted that, and we can see it's happened, we're going to watch and see what the computer models are also indicating. So our storm vision suggests that, yes, a little bit of rain in the northwestern corner of our state, and then more rain down in Eugene at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Again, the computer model has kind of proven itself already this morning, so we're kind of optimistic about it being accurate. So 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then another batch at around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Interestingly enough, though, south of Eugene, almost no rain, and that has changed our forecast in a couple of regards. First of all, the Central Coast, yeah, a good chance of afternoon showers, because we did see that cloudiness up in the north shifts a little bit to the south, and the coast is always a little more rain prone. Highs in the low 60s. The South Coast cloudy with afternoon showers with high temperatures in the low to mid 60s. 7-day weather outlook drying out after tomorrow, and what looks like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now the inland forecast, fog and some clearing in the Umpqua Basin. We are not mentioning rain here, and we are not mentioning rain at all because, again, the computer model, which has been great lately, seems to indicate the rain won't get that far south. A chance of afternoon showers in the Cascades. In our Central Oregon forecast, we see patchy fog with some clearing later, highs in the still coolish 70-degree range. Afternoon showers are possible in the Willamette Valley, and specifically 3 o'clock in the afternoon if the computer models are right. High temperatures in the low 70s. And here is, again, exactly what the computer models have been telling us. They've been so accurate lately. We stick with them, put our faith in them. This afternoon, some rain. Tomorrow morning, a little bit of rain, but by noon tomorrow, the rain is gone, and we expect to be dry for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, back into the 70s over the weekend.
It's been really interesting to hear everybody's reaction. Some hate it, some love it. We'll be right back with more news after the break.
You're watching KVAL News, first, fair, accurate.
First, fair, accurate. You're watching KVAL News. For some